Hello, are you ready to begin the day feeling rested, grounded, energized, and present? I'm Anna Saucier, and I'm a certified EFT tapping practitioner and Catholic mindset coach. In this video, I'm going to lead you through using tapping or emotional freedom technique to bring awareness and presence to yourself and God, right here and now, and surrender the day to the Lord. If you haven't tapped with me before, you'll find a cheat sheet in the description of this video. So, invitation to move into a comfortable space and position, and we'll get started. We begin in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. And I ask you, Holy Spirit, to be present with us as we begin a new day in all of its uncertainty and possibility, and surrender all of it to you. Let's begin by inviting some extra breath and imagining it moving down into your lungs and then out into every area, every cell of your body, wherever it needs it most. And then letting go with a nice big release. And we're going to start on the karate chop side of the hand and repeating after me. I begin this day not knowing what it might bring. And that scares me a little. Sometimes the uncertainty and the worry overtake me. I want to completely trust in you. But I'm not all the way there yet. I accept that this is where I'm at right now. And I ask you, Lord, to meet me here. Now we're going to move up to the eyebrow point, just tapping where I tap and saying what I say. God, I give you this day. I offer you all that I do, my words, thoughts, and actions. All of my intentions, all of the difficulty, all of my worries and frustrations. All of my wins. In both the exciting and the mundane. In both the anxiety and the peace. In the joy and the sadness. I am human and I want to live all of it. To walk with you in all of it, Lord. Open my eyes to the beauty that surrounds me. Open my understanding of what I bring to others. Open my heart to receive. Open my whole being to all that I encounter. Oh Lord, heal my pride. Heal my shame. Heal my self-reliance. Heal my need for approval. Heal my desire for uncertainty. Heal my lack of belief. Heal my impatience. Heal my mistrust. Heal me from the fear of what you ask of me. And even in my struggle with these things, I give all glory to you. Give me the grace to surrender to you. To entrust everything to you. Help me point others toward you. So that your light and love shines toward all who my life touches. Guide my path. Light my way. Give me the energy I need to do your will. I rejoice in your hope. I dance in your love. I live in the goodness of the Holy Spirit. Help me to live, play, and love today. As my prayer offered to you. Now you can take a stretch and let your arms relax. Take a moment to invite some extra breath in with your next inhale. Notice if there's anything more that your body needs, stretching, or maybe shaking out your arms. And you might choose to repeat this and do this tapping once again, a second time. Thank you for praying and tapping with me, and subscribe for more from Tapping for Catholics.